if you have made templates for products, for website, for landing pages, you can export all of those and import them into the new account. So let's just say this website here. So if you go into your website, this is the same for landing pages, it's just in a slightly different place. So let's just say we've got this website here and you wanted to export this website. This one, even though this one is a Kajabi template, if you've made changes to it, you can export it. This one is only a newsletter, so none of these other pages are used. However, you can come into this drop down here, export as zip from your existing site, and then go into your new site and go upload template. So this is for how to do it in the website. So you export and then import back in and then adjust the copy. So it's basically making a copy of your website template. So you would go upload and then it's going to say drop your zip file. So when you export the template, it's going to create a zip file. So you then bring the zip file and it will bring it into the new site. So go into your existing site, export anything that you like and you want to keep, and then just go and customize it as normal. So for landing pages, you just come into the landing page, export the page, and then upload. Oh, I've hidden it. And then go upload template into the new site. One thing to bear in mind, someone did point out to us very recently that if you do not have any landing pages in your new site, you may need to create a landing page first to see this upload template option. And I haven't done a new upload template on a new site for a while, so there is a possibility if you run into something where you're like, oh, I don't have the option to upload template, is that you might just need to have one of the Kajabi templates on there first and then upload a new one over the top of it. So that is for landing pages and website. And then within the products as well. So this is for course products only. Course products are the only ones that you can export. So let's just say, so you want to go into the course area, go into customize, and you'll then see your course template in here. Click on the three dots, export that as a zip. So this isn't going to export the course content. It's just going to export the design of the course area so that you can then use it on another course. This is also really, really helpful if you want to have a consistent design across all of your courses and you don't have to reset it up from scratch every time. If you're like, oh, I really like how I've laid this course out, you can export it and then import it into other courses. So it can also work for that. Then you come into install template and you have to have a course product created first in order to be able to install the template. Come down to the bottom, click upload template, and then upload that zip file. And then once you have installed that in the new site on the course product, you'll be like, oh, where is it? I can't see it. So you just got to come to this little drop down here and you'll see then, and then you just turn it on. So it'll just probably be called zip something, something. Then you activate it and then that will activate the new template. And you can then flick in between those at any time. So it doesn't change your course content, just what your course content is displayed like.